Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is REALME GT7 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to change screen recording quality on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to just open our shortcuts panel, where we have to just find our screen recorder. That's here. Now we have to hold on it icon, and here we can change quality of our screen recordings. So we have to click here, and now we can choose if we want to record in low, medium or high definition. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!